Telangana State Road Transport Corporation, TSRTC, organized a lucky draw program for its passengers at the Rathaphile bus station on Monday. In this program, a lucky draw was conducted, and 10 winners were announced. And guess what? Each of the winners received a cash prize of 9,900 rupees. I had the privilege of attending this event, and it was an honor to see Mr. Kusruskin, the regional manager of TSRTC, addressing the audience and announcing the winners. The winners, 5 men and 5 women, were selected through the lucky draw process. It was truly amazing to witness their joy and excitement as their names were called out. The esteemed dignitaries present at the event included Deputy RMO S. Beam Reddy, Deputy RMO R. Kavitha from Kakapalli, DMC Kavitha from Chenjichurla, GMH Srinivas from Uppal, CIG Swetha, CIS Spati, and the station manager of RBS, DNV J. Kumar. Such initiatives taken by TSRTC not only add to the festive celebrations, but also show their commitment towards the well-being of their passengers. By organizing this lucky draw program and awarding the winners, TSRTC has demonstrated their appreciation for the loyalty and trust of their passengers. The event was truly engaging and brought smiles to the faces of many. It showcased the dedication of TSRTC towards providing a memorable journey experience to its passengers. This gesture not only strengthens the bond between the corporation and its passengers, but also sets an example for others in the industry.
సో మీ అందరికీ మరొకసారి గుర్తు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఈ లక్కీ డ్రా మన దసరా సందర్భంగా చేయడం జరిగింది. దాంట్లో 5 మేల్ 5 ఫీమేల్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ని లక్కీ డ్రా చేయాలని కార్పొరేషన్ డిసైడ్ చేశారు. ఈచ్ లక్కీ డ్రాకి అమౌంట్, ఈచ్ ప్యాసింజర్ లక్కీ విన్నర్ అమౌంట్ వచ్చేసి 9,900.
ప్రయాణం లేడీస్ ప్రయాణం ఉచితంగా చేసినప్పటి నుంచి చాలా ట్రాఫిక్ పెరిగింది అనేది ఒక వాస్తవం. ఈ మే లోపు ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేయబోతున్నది నో క్లాబ్స్. అరే గవర్నమెంట్ ఇంకా చేస్తున్నదబ్బా మీకోసం. సో ఒక 1050 బస్సులు యాడ్ చేయబోతున్నది ఫర్ ప్యాసింజర్స్.